Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a OnePlus 8T with a damaged display, and this one is a colorful one. You can see streaks of color on the side. So this OnePlus 8T will need a new display. As you can see here, the display has some pink and green lines on the left side, and it's gonna propagate and gets worse over time. So we will have to take action as early as possible to make sure this smartphone will be usable without any disruptions on the front display. So we're gonna open it by removing the back cover first and remove all the screws that's holding on to the cover for the main board and the daughter board. I think we're gonna focus on the daughter board first because the connector for the display is located here. And I was right. You can see on the corner there, that's the connector for the display. And we will test it, turn it on, and voila, it's working. So we'll see if the smartphone will boot up with this new display. It's gonna take some time, but we're here. So you can see without the lines, you can see everything, and you can use the smartphone without any issues day to day. So we're gonna put that to the side for now and remove the problematic display. We're gonna slice through the adhesive as well. And this is the first time the smartphone has been repaired. You can see the display is still very intact. And factory adhesives are very, very strong. So we need to take our time and patience and a lot of isopropyl alcohol to remove the adhesive from the display. Will also involve a lot of slicing through, like this one. So we'll be very careful when doing this. Another douse of alcohol. Slice through the adhesive. We're not gonna force anything on this repair session. Here we have the original adhesive. We're gonna reuse that and just put our fresh liquid glue on top of some adhesive that are not really functioning. We're gonna align it, push the cable to the slot on the housing, and then press the display in, and it's on. We're gonna let it dry for now, and meanwhile we're gonna put back the daughter board, all the screws, and close up the device, and we're done. So if you have a OnePlus 8T that needs a new display, if you are annoyed by white lines or bleeding on your display after you dropped it on the floor, just head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center and we'll fix it for you. We're gonna give you a brand new screen and a brand new life for your broken smartphone. So thanks for joining, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. And we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.